Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you honest and informative reviews of the latest tech products. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, the NEWC tempered glass screen protector. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is this product? The NEWC tempered glass screen protector is designed specifically for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which has a stunning 6.7-inch display. This screen protector comes in a convenient 3-pack, ensuring that you have backups on hand in case of any accidents or wear and tear. Now, let's talk about some of the most important features that make this screen protector stand out. First and foremost, it provides maximum protection for your device's touchscreen. It is engineered with 0.33mm thick premium tempered glass that boasts an impressive hardness rating of 9H, meaning it can resist scratches from everyday objects like keys and coins. This level of durability is crucial for anyone who wants to keep their iPhone looking pristine. Another fantastic feature is the oleophobic coating. This special finish significantly reduces fingerprints and smudges, making it easier to keep your screen clean and clear. The high transparency of the glass ensures that you can enjoy the vibrant colors and sharp details of your display without any distortion or loss of clarity. Installation is often a concern with screen protectors, but NEWC has made this process incredibly simple. The screen protector is designed for a bubble-free installation, thanks to its dust-free and fingerprint-free surface. With just one push, you can easily apply it without any hassle. Plus, the solid silicone adhesive used on the back ensures a secure fit that won't interfere with the sensitivity of your touchscreen. This means you can swipe, tap, and scroll with the same responsiveness you're used to. Now, who is this screen protector suitable for? If you're an iPhone 14 Pro Max owner, this product is tailor-made for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants to ensure their device is protected from scratches, drops, and everyday wear and tear. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone who enjoys outdoor activities, having a reliable screen protector is essential for maintaining the integrity of your device. Let's look at some practical use cases. Perhaps you're someone who often puts their phone in the same pocket as keys or change. Or maybe you have young children who might accidentally drop your phone during playtime. The NEWC tempered glass screen protector acts as a strong barrier against these potential hazards. Additionally, if you travel frequently, this protector can help shield your device from dust and scratches that can occur while on the go. In summary, the NEWC tempered glass screen protector for the iPhone 14 Pro Max is an excellent investment for anyone looking to protect their device. With its durable construction, oleophobic coating, and easy installation process, it checks all the boxes for a quality screen protector. It ensures that your phone remains in top condition while still allowing you to enjoy its stunning display. Thanks for watching.